Hello everyone, this is Fucche. You must have known me by the name of my channel. My human mama has gone out of station due to an urgent situation. So here I am with my human papa. I've just had my meal. I'm 65 days old. Okay, let's say 65 days young. This is my feeding bowl and water dispenser that my human sister has gifted me. I've just taken my meal. I've been taking Royal Canin starters. These are my meds. I take 4 times a day Royal Canin, my meal, and early in the morning after food and after my dinner I take this Digiton. But after every meal I have been taking neopeptine 2 ml after every meal. That is an appetizer that my vet has suggested me, and here I am chewing on the pillow. My toys are scattered. After my arrival, my human's room has been in this condition. Sometimes I like to sleep here. My humans have gifted me many toys, bought many toys for me. One bone is hidden here. My tug of war rope is laying there. My carrot, another bone. There's my leash. But this one, this toy, this has been my favorite. I like playing and chewing on it. So here's me. You can see me. Hi to everybody once again. Well, this is a short video. I guess you all will show some love to me. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon. That is it for now. Goodbye from Fucche. Stay tuned. See you all again. Love you all.